Hello everyone. Dreaming of becoming a billionaire? This is for you. Today we'll discuss 5 financial mistakes to avoid. These pitfalls can stop you from achieving your dreams. One major mistake is investing without research. Understand the risks before investing. Losing money is easy if you're not cautious. Always know where and how you invest. Many struggle with keeping expenses in check. Monitor your spending closely. Avoid overspending on unnecessary things. It's crucial for billionaire aspirations. Without clear goals, money isn't used effectively. Set clear financial objectives. Plan how to achieve them. This is key to financial success. Debt isn't always bad, but timely repayment is crucial. Avoid unnecessary borrowing. Pay off debts promptly to stay financially healthy. Always be willing to learn. Educate yourself continuously. Understand financial markets and stay updated. This mindset is essential for billionaires. These are the 5 financial mistakes to avoid. Avoid them, and you're closer to your financial goals. If you found this helpful, share it with friends.